Any advice for the future Bitcoiners?
Just experiment. I mean, buy small, experiment, and worst case, treat it like invest only as much as you would pay someone to understand what Bitcoin is about.
Don't go all in at once. Understand what you're investing in before you put a single penny in, and then level in and level in and level in and turn all your fiat slowly into Bitcoin. That's my advice.
Yeah, I see a lot of potential in it actually.
Okay.
And though the valuation right now looks very, very high, but I think there is a lot of possibilities where things may even get better. The prices may go really rocket high.
Do it legally is my advice. Don't do anything illegal. Do it the right way. Stay on the right side of the law, and rock on, baby.
Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. I've traveled to 232 cities in 23 countries, and now you can join me on my journey and travel with me.
What's up? Hi. So this is the afternoon with Bharat. What up, bro?
All good, man.
All good, man. Where we off to?
We're going to South Bombay.
Lovely. I love it. We are back onto the. Oh, we are crossing the link also. And this is pretty, man. Been a crazy hectic day today. Like it's been insane. I'm gonna fill you in with all the details. But yesterday was really overwhelming. Well, humans were so kind. We were just laughing, and everybody had their wallets. And as of now, today is Bandra. So before Bandra, a little bit of South Bombay, and then back to Bandra. And our boys here. Go.
एक रोल
एक सीख हाँ ठीक है.
दो मटन सीख और 2 बटर चिकन रोल.
This is so good. Like, wow. Beauty. Thank you. Yeah, bro. Kebab. Thank you. No, we had kebabs. Now this rabdi. Matka rabdi. Matka rabdi is also nice, bhai. Yeah. Dude, that's Trident, right? Or Taj?
No.
Taj.
That's not the Taj Mahal.
Now this place here is the cheapest, right next to Taj. Oh my god, it'll fall down, bro. I won't stay, bro. Wow. Wow.
Finally got to see this founding stone of Mumbai.
Yeah, founding stone of Mumbai. Wow.
Well, I mean, that's what they call it.
Lovely, man. This is the gateway of India. Of Bombay? India नहीं बोलते?
Bombay पहले ना.
Bombay.
Gateway of India ही तो है.
Yes.
So this is where they came on land first when they came from
From UK. This is pretty magical. Ooh, wow. ये सही है, bro. Bro, town is town. Town is town.
बहुत बोले नहीं रखने के लिए. Give ना अब mask and stick a Bitcoin चाहिए.
ये पकड़. एक लो. कितना लोग हैं तुम लोग इधर?
हम लोग से 4 लोग.
4 है ना? और ब्रदर पहनने का सबको तीनों को पहनना पड़ेगा. क्या है ये बिटकॉइन? इंटरनेट का पैसा. जैसे सोना होता है वैसा क्या होता है? बिटकॉइन. ये चौथा आदमी आ गया. सही है, बोलो.
सही है.
बिटकॉइन सही है.
बिटकॉइन
बिटकॉइन सही है
चाहिए
क्या पैसा सही है इनके लिए तो बिटकॉइन सही है There you go, let's do this. What's that side, bro?
That's a Malabar.
Okay. One update. It's 1 week right now, and in a week I was just crossing the Bandra Valley in a car without paying anything. Also, you see, we have this, and you have this. You have this. Then. Yeah. Oh, beautiful shot this is.
Ande. Act my picture.
Socials. Come in.
Let's do this.
How are you, brother? Very well. How are you, man? Don't be nothing.
Hey man.
What's up, buddy? So introduce yourself. And since when do you have Bitcoin? And
Since when? So I got it on the first day that it was officially legalized or unbanned from India, which was what, 4th of April? 4th of March 2020.
I heard about Bitcoin a few years ago, but yeah, got more interested in it, you know, and in crypto and the DeFi space, learning more about it just in the last couple of years. Yeah.
I got my first Bitcoin like I don't have any Bitcoin. I am a part of Bitcoin.
Satoshis.
So yeah, Satoshis. So I got like 4 to 5 years, 6 months back when I joined CoinTelegraph.
why did you get it?
Because my boss wanted me to learn investing, so I got little bit, and so that I can understand the market well.
I first heard about it when I was a kid, I think, but I never really understood it. Never wanted to like dive in and explore it as much as I did. Probably in 2017, I could say was my first bullish moment with Bitcoin. But I knew it was the bull run, and I knew what kind of gains it had created. And I turned into a paper trader. I think I became more of a speculator, understanding the consensus mechanisms behind ETH, behind Bitcoin, behind other projects that started developing their own consensus, and eventually decided to get in when the Corona dumped happened.
Did you first hear about it?
Obviously, my best friend Smith works in the same company, CoinTelegraph. So he used to tell me that this went up, this went down. So I was like, what is this? This is something which I should get into. That's why.
Well, there is no better currency than Bitcoin. There is no better finance than Bitcoin can offer. I think Bitcoin has covered it all. You know, a parallel financial system, as long as things are legal, it really intrigued me. And I wanted to learn more about this space. And of course, the lockdown gave me a lot of time as well to learn more about this wonderful technology that's, you know, really gonna upend the traditional financial structure.
It's a future goal. It's a future goal. To be honest, like it's the what I could say. If today you invest in gold, thinking that it's the most liquidated asset in the market, Bitcoin is gonna surpass gold, and that's for sure.
Any advice for the future Bitcoiners?
Just experiment. I mean, buy small, experiment, and worst case, treat it like invest only as much as you would pay someone to understand what Bitcoin is about.
Don't go all in at once. Understand what you're investing in before you put a single penny in, and then level in and level in and level in and turn all your fiat slowly into Bitcoin. That's my advice.
If you are planning to get into Bitcoin industry, I would suggest this is the right time before the year end, I suppose. Till the time we have a dip.
Don't do anything illegal. Do it the right way. Stay on the right side of the law, and rock on, baby.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
Morning. So this is 24th of September, and I'm running back to the town to meet Sunil. It's amazing. It's a blessing, and a lot of things have been happening. I mean, like
The meetups are crazy. There's just so many happening, so many emotions involved. And there are so many mindsets to Bitcoin, and there's everything because I'm learning so much every day. It's sometimes overwhelming to just listen, to hear everybody's life perspective, but I'm really touched and honored to be able to share such moments with everyone. Morning. कैसे हैं? बढ़िया. Thank you so much. Sorry late हो गए थोड़ा सा. Let's do this. Let's go. It is slowly morning 8:10 already. Our Uber ride is thanks to the Bit Refill. I am getting my vouchers through Bit Refill. So that's pretty cool, right? I haven't used a single rupee. Today is day number 8. आपको बिटकॉइन के बारे में पता है? बिटकॉइन. Devi Shankar is from UP, been riding for almost 25 years, and I'm just gonna give him some Bitcoin, some sats in a paper wallet, and I'll advise him what to take things forward, man. I've just told him to keep it. तो क्या करेगा Bitcoin का?
संभाल के रखिएगा सर.
Alright, this is it. So this is the house and this is the view from the house.
That's from where are you?
I started from Bangalore on the 17th. It's been 8 days. I'm in your house in 8 days. This is the magic.
And you did hitchhiking and
No. I bought my tickets. No more hitchhiking now. It's like proper.
अच्छा.
It's like क्योंकि बहुत अभी Bitcoin है and I have to use it. I have to share it with the people like. So I buy my Bit Refill से I buy my tickets. So I'm still spending. I haven't spent a single rupee. It's been 8 days. Alright, this is it. Fist bump buddy. Thank you so much. So thanks to Suril. It was a beautiful house he has here, and he's been an angel throughout so far in Mumbai, in Soho. Thank you so much. I wish you a happy journey.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
And let's move forward.
Yeah, all the best.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
So I am walking towards. We'll go that side. So this is the Marine Drive police station, and we'll walk to the other side, and I have to walk to the Garwad Club. So we are meeting again. Now you see every day that's happened back to back, man. Thank you so much, Siddharth.
Pleasure to have you here.
Thank you so much. So where are we? What is the place called?
This is Garware Club.
Okay.
It's in Marine Drive, heart of the city again, in South Bombay.
Nice.
So yeah.
Nice,
good to
man.
have you here.
Thank you. He's really helping me connect into the Southeast Asia, and this is our meeting. So thank you so much. He's invited me for lunch here, so it works. Humans are kind still. Back to back from last night here. Every time we are meeting, bro. Thank you, bro. Yeah. What's up? So I'm here, been staying in Nirvana Grace for over the last 3 nights or 4th night today. क्या 4 रात हो गए होंगे ना 3 रात है 4 nights. Sure, wow. And this was possible right here because of Madan. We finally meet. Hi. Thank you so much, man. And he's very kind and he says he's also Bitcoiner and he was like, आजा भाई, exchange कर लेंगे. I was like, thank you, because it's really tough to find someone in Mumbai, but then the community is really huge. I'm gonna ask him about 4 questions and then we're gonna settle off our dues with my wallet into his wallet, and let's just go out and do it outside. Sure. This is the first floor, and yeah, buddy. Hello. So I have simple questions.
Yeah.
First, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Madan.
All right.
I'm a hotelier basically.
Okay.
So I was doing earlier Bitcoin.
Okay.
A little bit of it, not much. But
Alright.
still, yes, I was aware of it. Like it's a future basically.
All right.
So
When did you first hear about the Bitcoin?
I believe 2016, 17 somewhere.
Yeah.
So a couple of my known IT guys were doing it actually.
Okay.
So I was little eager to know about it actually.
Yeah. Do you have any Bitcoin?
Little bit, yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Any advice for the future Bitcoiners?
Yeah, I see a lot of potential in it actually.
Okay.
And though the valuation right now looks very, very high, but I think there is a lot of possibilities where things may even get better. The
Okay.
prices may go really rocket high.
Okay. Bartering around India with Bitcoin is possible because there are kind humans who believe in Bitcoin. And thank you so much, Madan. All right, it's come. I got his address. I'm gonna say Nirvana, Grace, and next. He's been kind. They're giving me breakfast, chai, pani, everything. They've just been taking care of me. Like, they love this, man. This is so nice. And I'm going for send now.
It's one of my friend's hotel, so I convinced him.
Yes.
So he was happy. At least let's have it a start.
It's done. The payment is done. Right? हाँ डेफिनेटली. आपने फोटो नहीं लिया. क्या मैं आके नीचे लूँगा ना फोटो. आप जान ही रहे हो ना. भाई पेनो बिटकॉइन है. बिटकॉइन सही है. जनता बार बता है. जनता बार. Yeah, I caught it. Gonna go get some pizza later on. And off to Bandra, catch up with a couple of old school friends too. So this is Bandra. And I've come over to Hundo Pizza just cause the owner is a Bitcoiner and he came to know that I'm coming down here.
And it's the best pizza in Bombay.
Oh yes, that's true. That's what I'm hearing. And let's just do this. Let's ask Sahil to get me my pizza and let's just transfer him some sats for the pizza.
Yeah, man.
Sahil, can we get some pizza?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Lay out pizza, brother. Alright, pizza is here. Okay. Thank you. Like really, Ronak really did a great job here. Like it's awesome. Hello everybody, namaste.
Namaste.
Alright, how's everybody doing? Good. Awesome. आइए. क्या brother आपका wallet दे दीजिए. So he's gonna give me his wallet. I'm gonna sell it. Alright, that's it. He's got a wallet too. I'm gonna sell. कितना हुआ bill brother?
436.
436 to my blue wallet. And invoice is here. First Bitcoin pizza India ka. Alright, I've got it here. Almost 14,000 sats I'm paying for this pizza. I'm gonna go to pay. I'm gonna close this. Pay. Watch this. This is his wallet is on 0. And done. It shows me a click here and he's received his payment. Received? That's it. The first Bitcoin pizza right here in Bandra at Hundo Pizza. I'm excited for this pizza. Thank you so much. Thank you for exchange. This bar trip was wonderful. Go for it. Awesome. Wow, let's have my first Bitcoin pizza. Oh wow. And that's the end of Bandra. That's the end of Mumbai. I'm heading off to Surat tomorrow. Love you all.